Why did you choose AAAM courses over others?
One, it was that I knew I would get a great experience with AAAM. I also chose AAAM because in 1 year's time I would get the information that I needed as a foundation for entering into the aesthetics.
What do you enjoy most about these courses?
Oh, I really love how personable the teachers are. Every single teacher that they have is very responsive to questions. They want you to learn, they want you to know. So they're very hands-on with you, and I appreciate that.
Final question. How likely are you to recommend this course to a colleague or a friend, and why so?
I would recommend them to AAAM because it's well run. It's been around for a long time. They have multiple courses over the years so that you can always complete it quickly if you need to, or extend it out depending on your busy schedule.